Guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. Will's Kitchen Table. Hope you guys staying safe, staying blessed, guys. Today, guys, I'm gonna be making some hard dough bread, guys, some Jamaican hard dough bread. But guys, the thing about it, guys, I'm trying today to make the bread with some pumpkin, guys. This recipe I created, I put it together last night. I have flaxseed, and I also have some pumpkin here, guys, to go inside there. But today I'm gonna leave out the flaxseed, guys. I think I'm just gonna go with the pumpkin and the hard dough bread. All right, and I also have sunflower seed. So sunflower seeds in the recipe as well. So guys, I have some pumpkin here. We're just gonna measure out and see how much pumpkin I'm gonna get out of what I cut up right here. But guys, this is the science of it, guys. Just putting it together, and I want you guys to do it with me. All right, so guys, right now I think we got 2 cups of pumpkin right here. All right, I dice up. I'm gonna throw these pumpkin right in the pot right here, and we're gonna cook these off until they get nice and mushy, so we can, you know, smash it and get it inside the bread. All right, so I got the mixer here ready, guys. I got the flour here, and this is a pound of flour I'm using. I got my yeast and all that. So guys, I'm gonna jump right in and get this on the stove top. All right, get some water in it and get it boiling. So guys, as you can see, the pumpkin is cooked now. That's what it looks like. I'm just getting it mush right here. Get it nice and mushy. So you mash it like mashed potatoes. Get it nice and smooth. And guys, you gotta drain all the water from the pumpkin. Make sure all the water gone from the pumpkin. All right, cool it down and get all the excess water out of it. I think this is perfect for my dough, guys. All right, we're gonna get the flour ready for the bread. Okay guys, so I got my flour right here. As I told you guys, it's 1 pound of flour I'm using. So let's get all this stuff right here, guys. I got 2 tablespoons of sugar going inside the flour, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, guys, and I got 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And guys, I got 2 tablespoons of margarine and 2 tablespoons of butter inside here. All right, let's just whisk all this dry stuff together. Instant yeast. We're just gonna put the butter and the margarine right inside. Just gonna use my hands to you want the butter and the margarine to be at room temperature, guys. You can just smash it right in with your hands inside the flour. Just like that. And guys, as I said, I'm leaving out the sunflower seed today and the flax seed. So guys, we're testing out this recipe. So I'll just use the pumpkin for today. So just had the pumpkin in the flour right now, guys. I'm mixing in that hand with my hands as well. Right? Right, get that excess flour off my hands. And we're gonna get it right on the mixer, guys. All right. So, okay guys, so I got my water up here, my warm water. Yeah, it's about 136 degrees, guys. I use a probe here, just check it. So Gonna get this baby up. Alright, and we're gonna add some water to it while we start this mixer. So that's 1 cup of water, guys. It's looking good. Beautiful. So guys, this is how you want the dough to come out, nice and elasticy, like that. You guys can see that. That's what you're looking for, alright? So we're just gonna get this out on the board here. We're gonna need it for a while, and then we're gonna get some oil right in the bowl, and we're gonna put it right back in there, alright? Get a bit of it out on the surface right here. If you guys can see, gotta use your hands. Your hands are better than using the gloves to knead this dough. As long as you wash your hands properly, you should be fine, guys. A little bit of flour on this board right here. We're gonna knead it. Alright, you can see little pieces of pumpkin still inside the dough, which is beautiful. Alright, that's how we're gonna get our pumpkin hard dough bread, nice and tasty. Alright, it's a bit sticky right now, guys, so you gotta use flour, or you can use oil on your board as well. That's another option. It's beautiful. I love the way this dough comes out. Nice, guys. So our idea works. Wow, look at that. I love it. Wow, love this, guys. We're gonna, our dough bread gonna come out beautiful. So we're gonna knead this and put it back in the pan, guys, and we're gonna let it sit for about 45 minutes. All right, before we start. Somewhere warm, just cover it in the bowl with some with a nice tablecloth, rag, nice clean one you got. Use that to cover it. It's better to use a damp towel, I should say. Tell you guys the right way. Use a damp towel to cover the dough and let it sit. All right. All right. Need some flour on this. I just gotta keep on kneading it. Okay guys, this dough been sitting for 45 minutes. Just gonna get it on this board again, alright? I'm using some oil in there. Guys, if you take a look at it, it's nice and poofy right now. We're gonna get it right out on the pan, alright? Alright, so guys, we get all that here out of it, all the carbon. Just want to get it to the nice shape of the pan here, the bread pan that I'm using. You can see, I'm just going to get it right inside. The dough is looking beautiful, guys. And what I'm going to do, so I'm going to shift this over so you guys can see what I'm really doing. Just going to push the sides down, guys. Nicely. Looking beautiful. Get all the carbon dioxide out of it. Alright guys, we're gonna let this sit for another 30 minutes guys before I get it in the oven. I'm gonna cover it again with another towel guys and let it sit for another 30 minutes before we put it inside the oven. Alright guys, don't worry, you're gonna have some pumpkin bread, hard dough bread. So guys, take a look at this. It's nice and proof after the 30 minutes. I'm gonna pop it right in the oven right now. At 350, we're gonna bake this until it's done. It will have a nice brownish color on top. Guys, let's pop it inside the oven right now. The oven is nice and hot. All right. Roughly, I'm just gonna set 35 minutes, guys, on my timer right here. And there we go. All right, guys, we're gonna have some pumpkin hard dough bread from Will's kitchen table. Guys, this is how we turn up the flavor here. All right, guys, what do we say? Flavor up. All right. So guys, the hard dough bread is done. Just pull it out the oven. Guys, we're gonna let this cool down. I'm gonna get it out the pan, sit it in a rack, and let it cool down. All right. And we're gonna end up cutting this. All right. Looking beautiful, right guys? Wow. So that's a nice color you're looking for on it, guys. So that's the pumpkin Jamaican hard dough bread, guys. Up again, flavor up. All right, we're gonna try it. All right, let it cool. We're gonna cut it and try. Okay guys, the bread done. Guys, I'm gonna cut right into the bread right now. Still nice and warm. Look at that beautiful color, guys. You're getting out of the bread. Look at that beautiful color. That's what I'm talking about, guys. All right, that's the pumpkin hard dough bread, guys. Guys, right now I'm just gonna cut it up and get a piece off of it. This is the end right here, guys. Looking good. Wow, still nice and warm, guys. I'm gonna put a little bit of butter in it, guys. Right, just some butter, just to try a piece of it. Look at that, guys. Wow, the butter just melts on that. Guys, this is amazing. It looks so delicious, guys. Take a look. Flavor up again, guys. Wow. Wow, this is good, guys. It turns out really good. I can taste the pumpkin in there, guys. Look at that nice. Wow. You guys try this at home. You're gonna love this pumpkin hard dough bread, guys. I'll turn it around. You guys can see inside of that bread there. Look at it, guys. Beautiful, guys. Another amazing recipe, guys. I put out on the table for you guys, some Will's kitchen table. Guys, I just want to thank all of you guys again for watching, liking, sharing, guys, subscribing to this channel, guys. I appreciate all of you guys. Guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Another amazing one coming up. This is the pumpkin hard dough bread. Guys, peace out.